Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at this Slope Hill shock collar off of Amazon that we got for our smaller dog Tilly. She is a Dachshund and Yorkie mix, Yorkshire Terrier. She is a bit stubborn and she also has a tendency to chew things. Anyway, we will just dive right into it, see what's in the guts of this pig, and move on with our lives from there. These things are fairly inexpensive. They are, I think, 32 bucks on Amazon for a waterproof, allegedly, shock collar. It comes with a slippy deal here. I don't even know what you'd call this, that lets you set the length and you can cut it down to whatever size. You know, it can fit probably quite a big dog, but with the jam that they have in this thing, I don't think it would do much for anything bigger than maybe a beagle. Even though beagles are so stubborn, I don't even do anything for that. So let's take a look inside. What's inside this bad boy. Okay, we got yourself a little 60-20-30 1.1 watt hour, 3.7 volt, 3 milliamp hour battery, flat pack lithium ion. Let's see what we got here. Okay, the leads. It's a single lead. Interesting. Kind of looks like it is, oh, there's your vibrate function, your little tiny motor. You see that there? That's kind of nice. Power button, transformer for the, obviously, electrical, and then you got your buzzer here for the beep function. It's kind of interesting how they did the leads here. I don't know if we can, I don't know exactly how they're run into this thing here. Oh, that's actually your power. Interesting. So that's your power jack. They're just using like a little banana plug there. Uses 5.5 volts from a wall charger to run that. I don't know how they're actually doing. Oh, here we go. Here's the contact pads. They're little rubber pads cast into this piece. It looks like with either urethane or some kind of glue. And they actually do come with a little tester so you can test this, make sure it's actually shocking like it should. Let's see here. How the hell this thing came out of here like so. So this, you know, I don't know how they're passing that electrical charge. Oh, I see. Okay. There's your contacts right there for coming off of this transformer. Those contacts touch the prongs and go through these little silicone pads. So yeah, not much to it. A little LED breakout board they have soldered in there. Fuck all to this thing. If she hadn't chewed this one up, this probably would have lasted quite a while, but it doesn't look as bad as I figured it would be, to be 100% honest. Anyway, that's all there is to it. This one obviously is toast because she chewed the fuck out of it, but until next time, fuck off.